God bless me. I think I'm really very honored and privileged to be running 10 divisions in 2018. Can you give yourself a big round of applause? For the last 12 months, last year, 2017, we made 16.16 million in commission. Give yourself a big hand.
For the best 2018 sales for every one of us, okay?
My name is Andrew Fee. I am a branch division director in ERA with more than 8 years of experience in real estate sales. I specialize in private property, resale and new launches. My team has also done well in 2017. Our team sales has grown by more than 70%. My focus is to build long-term relationships with my clients in the mid and the high-end market and deliver value-added advice to them. I also assist them in asset progression and management so that they can reach their financial needs and goals through their real estate portfolio.
My name is Angie C. I am an Associate Division Director in the top 1% achievers in ERA. My new associate was able to clock in sales commission of almost 400,000 within her first 3 months joining the real estate industry. I welcome aspiring agents with professionalism and tenacity to join me in the exciting luxury property market segment.
Hi, I'm Donny Lee, Team Leader and Trainer of ERA. I've been in the business for the past 9 years. I've one agent who joined me last year. I met up with him many times to do a one-to-one coaching to work on his strengths. And guess what? Upon receiving his license, he managed to secure 3 exclusive listings on the same day and close his first deal just within a week. Every agent that comes to me, I'll make sure I will meet up with them on a one-to-one basis, do coaching and to understand what's their unique strength. After that, I will craft out a unique winning strategy just for them.
Well, if you examine my team, you will realize something really interesting. I have a lot of new achievers in my team, and what makes me happiest is taking someone so raw, so inexperienced, and often lacking in self-confidence, and setting them up for success. You can see a person's convictions by the things that he's passionate about. It has been my lifelong goal to help 1 million individuals achieve personal success. What is the end result? Top new achievers and top achievers in ERA. I hope that what I do contributes to a stronger family unit in my achievers' lives.
Hi, my name is Andy Wu. I'm ERA Branch Division Director with 11 years of full-time experience. I focus on HDB sales. In 2017, I did more than 50 HDB transactions. I'm committed to share my proven HDB system and impart my HDB knowledge to my agents. Also, my leaders and I will coach any aspiring salesperson to achieve their sales targets in 2018.